What's good, Rank and Reviews crew? Foldables are flexing hard in 2025, and we've got the top 5 foldable tech devices that are pure fire. Let's unfold the future. Number 5. Porsche Design Honor Magic 7 RSR. This 2025 foldable blends Porsche's sleek style with a 7.9-inch OLED. AI photo editing makes every shot pop. MWC 2025 called it a luxury beast. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. The Z Flip 7's 6.7-inch display and upgraded cover screen are social media stars. Its compact design is perfect for content creators. YouTube unboxings are wild. Number 3. HMD Fusion X1. This budget-friendly flip phone has modular add-ons like extra batteries. X-Posts love its repairable design. Affordable and innovative. Number 2. Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design. The first tri-fold smartphone. Its 10.2-inch display folds twice for tablet vibes. Tech Radar's MWC 2025 demo was a hit. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7's 7.6-inch AMOLED and S Pen support are unreal. AI features make multitasking a breeze. MKBHD called it 2025's Foldable King. Which foldable's your flex? Like, comment, and subscribe to Rank and Reviews for more 2025 tech drops. Stay bendy.